welcome back. Today we are going to be making a red velvet cake. I have gone ahead and prepared my 2 pans, and I've put 2 parchment paper with a little oil on the bottom of these pans. I've gone ahead and I've preheated my oven at 330 degrees. And I've also gone ahead and prepared all the dry ingredients. In here, I do have 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, as well as 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So I added granulated sugar, about 1 3/4 cups of granulated white sugar. I have also prepared my dry ingredients. In here I have 2 eggs, milk, oil, vanilla extract, and some vinegar. The vinegar together with the milk will help us make that consistency where it's almost like a buttermilk consistency, so that we can be able to put together our red velvet cake. The reason it's called red velvet is we add also some food coloring. So I do have a gel red coloring that I'll be adding in my cake. On top of that, I'll be making a frosting, a cream cheese frosting with some butter. And that's what I will use to put in between my cake and around my cake. I also do have a prepared 1 cup of milk in here and some butter, a half stick of butter on this. And this is hot. I just put it in the microwave, it's hot. I think the heat of that milk helps with bring everything together. So we'll go ahead and mix everything together. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Martha. In this channel, I'll talk all about homemaking, finances, and anything that interests me. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the videos, make a comment, and I will really appreciate your support. I have a goal to get to 1,000 subscribers by my birthday, September 24th, 2024. Thank you for helping me get to that goal. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix all my wet ingredients in here in this larger bowl so that I can put everything in here to be able to fit. So as I said, in this dry bowl here, I have 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. I have gone ahead and I have pre-mixed everything so everything can blend together. Okay, I'll set it aside. I'll get my wet ingredients. In the wet ingredients, I have 2 eggs, 3/4 cups of extra virgin oil. I do have a half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract right in this bowl. I chose olive oil just to make the recipe a little bit healthier, but you can use vegetable oil or canola oil. So I've mixed everything, my eggs, and now I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything in my dry ingredients. Okay. Mix it so it doesn't splash everywhere. Try and bring all your flour in together. And then once a lot of it is incorporated, I'm gonna go ahead and put my gel. I'm using the red gel, food coloring gel, and we're gonna go with about 2 teaspoons. Okay, put that back in here. I believe that's red, right? Yeah, that's red. I was like, the yellow looks like red, but this is red. Okay. Then I'm gonna mix my hot milk, the other portion of the milk and the butter in here. And I'm gonna continue mixing it. I'll divide it in my 2 pans and bake it at 330 for about 35 minutes. Then I'll let it cool, and then I'll put the frosting on top. I have divided the mixture into 2 of my pans equally. I've tried to equalize them. So now I'm gonna put them in the oven for 330 degrees to bake for 35 minutes. Then I'll take it out, let it cool, and when it's completely cooled, I will make a cream cheese frosting and I'll put on top and below. After 35 minutes, the cakes have been done. The cakes are baked. Now I'll wait for them to cool down before I put the cream cheese icing that I have prepared here with powdered sugar, cream cheese and butter, some salt and vanilla. Came out creamy. So I'll give them time to go ahead and cool down. Then we'll see the final product. For the cream cheese frosting, I have about 4 cups of powdered sugar. I have 2 sticks of butter in here. And then I have 2 blocks of cream cheese that are still in the fridge. I'm gonna get that later after I cream my butter and the vanilla. I put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in here together with 2 sticks of butter. So I'm gonna cream them all up. I'm gonna then add my powdered sugar and then finish up with my cream cheese. Stay tuned. The red velvet cake is done and iced. Put the cream cheese on top. Looks delicious. Thanks for joining me. Please remember to subscribe, push the like button, and also the notification so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.